Everybody, Bowlful here. This is the latest DV8 collision line ball that I just got a couple weeks ago as a Bowling World surprise ball. So I paid the extra 10 bucks and told them that I wanted a strong, sharp hybrid. And voila, they sent me the ball that I wanted. Awesome, awesome. So this is number 3 collision ball for me. So the first one that I got was a Brutal Collision, which I love. That's a shiny solid. And then I have the Wicked Collision. I got a 16-pound Wicked Collision. And then I finally got this one. I really pair well with the collision lines. And I pretty much drill these up almost identical. So I'll put the layout right here for you. And then I'll also put the numbers of the ball right here for you too as well. So I've got turbo grips in there. I've got my Jopo in there. And this is an asymmetrical. And we're going to do something a little bit different today. Normally I do my ball reviews in Napa. We're going to go out to paddock lanes in Martinez, freefall pins with a little bit more oil. And we're going to see how we can roll this bad boy. All right, we got the DV8 Severe Collision. This is fresh out of box. Stand at 25. Boom. Stand at 25. There we go. Boom. This one's pretty good right off the box. This has factory compound on it too, which I normally sand off, but I didn't this time. Oh, come on. Boom. Oh, look at that. Oh. Come on now. Very forgiving ball. Like it, like it, like it. Ah. All right, 10th frame. And 25. No. Ah. So that'd be a 234. Got sloppy on the last one, missed the damn 10 pin. There she is. So not a bad ball, I'd say. I mean, I missed my damn 10 pin on the last frame, but oh well. That's all my fault, not the ball's fault. So this ball was pretty darn good. I'm very happy with this ball, and I knew that I was going to pair up well with it just because I have previous luck with the collision line ball, so I knew this one would be pretty darn good. And I've seen a lot of reviewers out there say the same thing. So I know X in the Pit, they really like this ball, and so I'm pretty happy. I couldn't ask for any more, especially since I got it as a surprise ball from Bowling World. You can't go wrong. So let me know if you guys have the DV8 Brutal Collision or if you have any of the collision line balls and which one's your favorite. I just did a couple games with this today, and I'm looking forward to rolling this a lot more. And like I said, I didn't touch the surface at all on this thing. Normally I get the compound off the ball, but I didn't do that this time. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And stay tuned for tomorrow's live stream, Thursday, October 30th, 2025. I'm probably going to be doing it around 3 or 4 p.m. California time. So check the time it is for you out there on the East Coast. If you're located on the East Coast, I'm going to be giving away 2 bowling balls as a thank you for all my subscribers for getting me past 1,000 number. So very happy. I reached my first milestone of 1,000 subscribers. So thank everybody out there. And to thank you guys, I'm giving away 2 brand new bowling balls in the box. So if you aren't entered, be sure to, there's a post I have and there's also a video I have. And all you have to do is pretty much be a subscriber, live in the lower 48 states, and just type in what bowling ball you want in the comments. And if your name is picked, we're going to spin a wheel. If your name is picked, you get said bowling ball shipped to you free of charge, no strings attached. So good luck, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.